B. Make sentences using this or that. This is an ice cream. That is a coin. This is a bird. That is a pen. This is an apple. That is a nurse.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.